imagine a world of vibrant colors and exotic marine life stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the coastline. Welcome to the Great Barrier Reef, Australia's mesmerizing natural wonder. Spanning the length of Queensland's coastline, this breathtaking ecosystem boasts a myriad of life and beauty. It's a place where each visit is unique, each experience unforgettable. With 5 distinct precincts to choose from, the reef caters to every taste and adventure level. Whether you're a seasoned diver, a novice snorkeler, or prefer to remain dry while exploring the underwater world, there's a place for you. From the pristine outer reefs to the bustling coral cays, the Great Barrier Reef offers a wealth of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you with lifelong memories. Whether you're here for a short time or a longer stay, the right tour can let you explore the Great Barrier Reef in a day, creating unforgettable memories. Venture out to the state-of-the-art pontoons in the outer reef for a full day of action-packed adventure. Imagine embarking on a master reef-guided snorkel safari, diving deep into the azure depths to swim side by side with the vibrant marine life. Perhaps you fancy viewing the coral kingdom from the comfort of an underwater observatory, or aboard a glass-bottom boat, both offering unobstructed views of the underwater spectacle. Maybe you're intrigued by the prospect of exploring the reef aboard a semi-submersible craft, a truly unique way to immerse yourself in this underwater world. Anchored firmly in the outer reef, you'll find pontoons like the Reef World, located on Hardy Reef, about 39 nautical miles from Airlie Beach. There's also the Quicksilver Cruises pontoon, nestled in Agincourt Reef, a breezy 90-minute cruise from Port Douglas. Sunlover departs from Cairns to spend the day at Moore Reef, while the new Reef Magic pontoon offers a unique experience with Indigenous guides for Cairns-based explorers. Down on the southern Great Barrier Reef, the Lady Musgrave Experience recently launched its own pontoon, Lady Musgrave HQ, nestled in the island's calm lagoon. It even boasts accommodation for those who wish to spend a night on the reef, serenaded by the gentle lullaby of the waves. These pontoons are perfect for trying a range of activities, catering for all ages and swimming abilities, an ideal choice for families. For those who prefer to spend their time beneath the surface, a full-day snorkel or dive tour will be your cup of tea. There are endless options all along our spectacular Great Barrier Reef. Pro Dive Cairns, Australia's premier PADI dive school and outer reef liveaboard operator, offers action-packed day trips. They select from dozens of exclusive reef locations based on the best conditions of the day. If you prefer a quieter beachside destination, Mission Beach Dive will whisk you away to remote reef locations, perfect for those off-the-beaten-path adventures. For those based in Townsville, you can discover secret coves, beaches, and fringing reefs around Magnetic Island with Aquascene, or go beneath the surface with Adrenaline Snorkel and Dive. You can even discover the Museum of Underwater Art at John Brewer Reef, adding a touch of culture to your underwater exploration. Hop on board, and you'll spend your time cruising between reef sites and jumping in to explore the marine world below. But the Great Barrier Reef isn't just about what lies beneath the surface. The Whitsundays offer thrilling ocean rafting and red cat adventures, jetting you through an archipelago of world-famous beaches. The Keppel Islands invite you for an exploration with Keppel Explorer and Freedom Fast Cats. And don't forget the 1770 Reef to Lady Musgrave Island tour for an unforgettable experience. So why wait? Start planning your trip to the Great Barrier Reef today and experience this natural wonder for yourself.